Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can set up the navigational menu in Shopify. In the recent Shopify update, the location of the navigation menu has been changed. So now you have to click on content, and below the content you will find the menus. So by default, Shopify creates the three type of menus: the main menu, the footer menu, and the customer account main menu. So you should be concerned for the above two menus, main menu and the footer menu. So I will explain you how you can edit it and how you can create a drop down for it. And we will also at the end of this tutorial we will check how the menu look likes and how it looks like on the mobile version also. So you just have to click on main menu. So this is empty. I have just removed all the menu items that Shopify added by default just to show you how you can do it yourself. So I've opened the main menu and it's taking some time. So the main menu has been appeared in front of us. So you can also rename the menu if you want. If you click on menu item, you if you want to add the menu items, the process is this. You have to click on links, or you can add the label first. But I would recommend you click on link first, and the label would be generated automatically, and then you can edit it. For example, if I click on link, there is an option for the home page. For example, I don't want the label to be page. I can just remove it and click on save, and then I can add another menu item. For example, I want to add all collections as a menu item. I will click on collections and all collections. So all collections. So all collections is not something professional. I will click on. I will type the name shop. Okay. So I want to create the drop down. What I can do. I will click on collections. I will select two collections. Test collection one, and then test collection two. I will select the collections from here and test collection 2 for example. Okay, so I just have to click on this one, and then I just will drop below the shop. So as you can see, the test collection one is the drop down of shop now, so it is a sub menu now. Again, uh, the test collection 2 is outside the shop too. I also want it inside the shop. So the shop has two collections now, collection 1 and collection 2. As you can see, test collection, I can also change the position as well. You can also create another menu inside collection 1 or collection 2. How you can do: add menu to shop, and then inside the link you can select the link like home page. So this is just a test link. Okay, test collection. So I can add something like so the home page is now part of test collection 2. So this is how the navigation works. Okay, I hope the things are clear. So if I want to add the products, I can add the test product here. You can create the menu as you want. So I will click on save, and let's edit the footer menu as well, and then I will show you how these things actually look like. So I will click on footer, and inside the footer I will insert like 2 to 3 legal pages. If you don't know how to create the legal pages, you can check out my description and check out my other video how to create the legal pages. So I will go down and click on policies and privacy policy, and then the another policy, it would be like refund policy. So there will be two policies, and I want to add a page as well. Okay, so the page is contact page, and that's it. I hope the things are clear. Let's see how it looks like in the preview. Let's click on this one, and as you can see, um, the navigation menu has been set up. So click on shop and test collection 2, and as you can the navigation is working fine. And if you go inside the footer, you can see it is also working fine. The things are working fine. So if you want to see the mobile version, I can inspect the element. So I just want to see how the mobile version look likes for the menu specifically. So as you can see, the three dots have been appeared automatically. You just click on this one, and as you can see, it's working really fine. It's working fast. So this is the beauty of Shopify. The things work really fine and fast, and they look beautiful. So if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, you can check out the link in the description, and this would be a special offer for you. Obviously, you will get a free trial, or you can start the Shopify store for $1 per month for the 3 months. Okay, I hope this offer would be helpful for you, and I mostly and the most importantly, I hope the tutorial is clear to you. This tutorial is how to set up the navigation menu. So if you feel any issue, like in the mobile navigation, or if you want some other tutorial like how to create the mega menus, let me know in the comments and I will make that tutorial for you. Thank you very much.